Sabi nila, hindi para sa akin ang network marketing. Pero ang tanong, tama ba ang sistema mo o hype lang ang naturo sa'yo? Let's be real. Most people fail in network marketing for 3 major reasons. Number 1, walang effort. Puro asa. Yung tipong walang ginawa, pero gusto agad ng resulta. Walang ganun, friend. Mindset plus action equals result. Number 2, wrong education. Kung hype ang tinuro sa'yo, hype lang din ang alam mo. Hindi duplication ang nakuha mo. Disappointment ang napala mo. Number 3, no system, no structure. Kaya kahit gusto mong kumita, walang direksyon, kaya no mission. Here's what people forget. Network marketing is not just about selling and enrolling people. It's all about duplication. At para ma-duplicate ang success, kailangan mo ng tamang edukasyon. Right duplication comes from right education.
That's right.
So saan mo makukuha ang tamang edukasyon? Ito po ang tinatawag nating GPS system. Get in, say yes, and commit. Plug in, connect to the system. Stay in, stay consistent, and grow. Network marketing is a beautiful business model. Pero ang kagandahan nito, nasisira kapag mali ang nagtuturo. Kaya huwag mo nang ulitin ang cycle. Kung feeling mo hindi ito para sa'yo, baka hindi ka lang naturuan ng tama.
I am the one, the way your son don't...
So, kung feeling mo hindi ito para sa'yo, baka hindi ka lang naturuan ng tama. Time to unlearn the wrong, relearn what works, get in, plug in, and stay in. Because the system works if you want to work it right. So, this is B. Sabulaw, aka Eagle B. I rise, I transform, I lead. See you at the top. God bless. Bye!